Good morning, beautiful people. Tenzin here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to attend a Tibetan function in Drepung Monastery. So let me show you today's function. Keep watching. So here function is happening. So many people came here today. Monks invited, not only monks, also invited lay people like us. This is Drepung Monastery Institute. Let's go inside. Look at the gate. It's so beautiful and elegant. We have to go from here down. It's so hot outside right now. I think people are dancing and doing some activity is going on. Hall is so big. Guys, Tibetan dance performance is going on. It's so hot here. So many people gathered in this hall. So beautiful. Guys, function is going on. They have prepared food, water. I'm going back to guest room. It's so hot. I just came back from the function. It's extremely hot outside. Right now I'm at the monastery guest house. I have changed something into comfortable. And I'm relaxing with nice cup of tea. Around 5 p.m. I'm planning to visit monastery for Kora, means circulation. So keep watching and come along with me. I came out for a walk. Perfect timing. The weather just right. Look at this beauty. Wow. Government bus is coming. Wow. Just guys, look at that. Whole field dried up because there's no rain. Because there's not much rain this year. It's so sad. Sunset. There's a community hall, camp number 6. Time for a short break. I'm stopping by this tiny tea shop and have a cup of tea, sweet milk tea. Let's go and check inside. It's a small tea shop. Owner is Tibetan. Oh,
कितना
tea.
चार गलत खाली नहीं मिलता
We got tea. I got my tea. Done with tea. Now going back to monastery. To go from here. My God, I'm sweating and so tired. I have visited temple. It's closed now, but we can circulate here. Banana. कितना भैया?
50 रुपए दे दूंगी
हाँ, एक डजन दो.
ऐसे होता है पूरा दे दो
हाँ, कितना? कैचू है.
हां तुम देखो हाफ कर दो ना
बैग नहीं.
बैग ही हो गया खत्म हो गया
खत्म हो गया.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಫೋನ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ ಹೇಳಿ
Thank you. Guys, I bought banana, 1 dozen like 80 rupees. Keeping my banana here. I'm going for a little shopping. Right now I'm in monastery shop. Wow, nice mirror. It's monastery shop. These are monks' clothes. Different types of shoes, accessories. Let me grab this. Let me grab one milk. Those guys. Let's grab some milk. Some more milk. Can you eat that? Ah, this one is better. Just. Done with shopping. Now I'm going home. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye.